Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to reply to an email without history in Outlook. Let's jump right into it. First, open your Microsoft Outlook app and log into your account so all your emails can load in. Once everything has loaded up, you'll be able to see your inbox and all the emails you've received. Now, look over at your inbox pane where all your emails and email folders are located. This is where you'll find the specific email you want to reply to without including the conversation history. Scroll through your emails and locate the one you need, then click on it to select it. This will open up the email so you can read through it and prepare your response. Once you've selected the email, right-click on it. A context menu will appear with several options. From this menu, click on Reply to open up your reply window. Now, here's the thing. Outlook doesn't have a built-in function to instantly remove the email history when you reply. But don't worry, I'm going to walk you through a quick manual process that makes it really easy to remove that history before sending your response. When your reply window opens, take a look at the bottom part of your composition window. You'll see the entire email history sitting there below where you're typing your reply. This is what we need to remove. Here's the trick to do it quickly. Hold down your Shift key on your keyboard, and while holding it, press Page Down. This keyboard shortcut will highlight all the email content that appears before your reply, which is basically the entire conversation history you want to get rid of. Once you see that the history is highlighted, simply press the Delete key on your keyboard. And just like that, the email history is removed manually from your reply. Now your response will be clean and won't include any of the previous conversation. This gives you a much cleaner looking email and keeps your reply focused on what you want to say without all the extra clutter from the previous messages. So the full process is opening Microsoft Outlook and logging in, navigating to your inbox pane and finding the email you want to reply to, right-clicking on that email and selecting Reply, holding Shift and pressing Page Down to highlight all the email history at the bottom of your composition window, and then pressing Delete to remove it. It's a simple manual workaround that gets the job done quickly. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.